What's the matter with me? I don't have much to say. Daylight sneaking through the window, and I'm still in this all-night cafe. Walking to and fro beneath the moon, out to where the trucks are rolling so slow. Right now I'll just sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. Wish I was back in the city instead of this old bank of sand, with the sun beating down on the chimney tops and the one I love so close at hand. If I had wings and I could fly, I know where I would go. But right now I'll just sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. People disagree on everything. Makes you want to stop and wonder why. Why only yesterday I saw a man living on the streets and he just couldn't help but cry. Oh, but this old river rolling so slow, no matter what gets in the way, which way the wind does blow. And as long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow. Disagree everywhere you look, makes you want to run right home and read your book. Why only yesterday I saw a man living on the streets, and I'm gonna tell you, he was really, really shook. Oh, but this old river rolling so slow, no matter what gets in the way, which way the wind does blow. And as long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow. Disagree everywhere you look, makes you want to run right home and read your book. Why only yesterday I saw a man down there waiting for the ferry, and that guy was so shook. Whoa, but this old river rolling so slow, no matter what gets in the way, which way the wind does blow. And as long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow. And watch the river flow. Oh yeah, and watch the river flow. And watch the river flow. And as long as it does, I'll just sit here and watch the river flow.